Hello everyone, welcome back to the TechLog YouTube channel. Today for this video of TechLog, I will be showing you how you can download Discord on laptop or in your PC. Now to do that, what you need to do is you need to open a Google browser in your PC and then click open new tab. There on the search bar you type in discord.com and press enter. This will open the official web page on Discord. Once you open the Discord, you will already have the option to download for Windows over here. You click on that link. You can see the Discord setup file will be downloaded first. Now you wait for this file to be completely downloaded first. Once the setup file is downloaded, you click on open. So you can download Discord from your Microsoft app as well. As this is not a verified application through Microsoft, you can download it anyway as well. I'm gonna go and click on install anyway, which will begin the installation process for the Discord in your PC. You can see the downloading process for the Discord. And with that, the downloading process for the Discord is completed. Now you can log in into the account right here. You can see you can provide your email or the phone number, and then you provide the password, which will get you logged in into the account right away. You can also log in with the QR code. So this is the way how you can download or install the Discord on your PC or in your laptop. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe to TechLog YouTube channel. Thank you.